Hi all, I'm Advaith Krishnan from grade 4. The book I'm going to review is The Volcano of Fire. The series is Geronimo Stilton. The book is about Geronimo Stilton trying to find out the mysterious reason of earthquakes in the kingdom of fantasy. The evil villain in the book is Sludge, a monster that can turn into people's fears. At the end of the story, Geronimo, with the help of his friends, defeats Sludge, solves the mystery, and saves the princess of fairies. The author of this book is Elizabeth Adami. I like this book very much, and it's a great book. Thank you.